All right, another lens review. Today we're doing a Pentax. This is a Pentax 28-200 f 3.8 to 5.6. So at 28 millimeters it is 3.8, and then all the way out to 100 millimeters it is f 5.6 at its lowest aperture. All right, so 28 to 200, that's a big range. This is an FA bottle, by the way, and I'll be doing a bunch of reviews probably on these in the next couple of months, because Pentax will be coming out with a full frame camera, which everybody's been looking forward to if you're a avid Pentax user. So these FA older FA lenses will work on the full frame camera. The crop censored ones that you've been getting for, like, say, your K50 will work, but only in a crop mode. So on that full frame camera, you'll have to switch to a crop mode. But you'll still be able to use them, but it will be zoomed in, so it will be like it's on a crop sensor camera. So that's why I'm looking at these FA lenses. I'll be getting a few just to try them out and see which ones I like best to use on a full frame. These are budget lenses because they're older. They were used on film cameras back in the day, so a lot of them are discontinued, and you can get them fairly cheap. This one you can get around 50 or 60 bucks. See what it looks like here. There it is, zoomed all the way out. Zoomed in. There we go. So, why would you get a 28 to 200? I always ask myself that when people ask about getting them, because they don't want to change their camera lens. They want something that covers basically the whole focal range. Well, when you get something that covers the whole focal range, the lens manufacturer is trying to make everything in there sharp. It's rather hard to make everything in that whole focal range sharp. So the lens is going to suffer when you have huge focal length like that. And it does on this lens. So it's not going to be that sharp when I've tested outside. So I'll throw some sample images up at the end, but this lens isn't that sharp. But if you're looking for a budget lens that you could take out to, like, say, a theme park and not take a couple lenses, this might be something for you. That you don't want sharpness maybe isn't your key thing what you're looking for. You're just looking for something to get some basic snapshot, point and shoot shots of the family at the theme park or whatever. This might be good for you because it's got a little weight to it, but it's not too heavy. And let's see what it looks like on the K50 here, so you could get what size it is here. So the lens hood, the lens hood comes off if need be, but there's a size right there, and then extend it out, kind of see there. And this is the 70 to 300. So it's extended out, but I'll extend this one out. So you kind of see there the difference. I'm going to be selling this lens because I don't like it because it's not sharp. I'm one of those people that like really sharp images. So this is just mainly for people that are looking for a lens, maybe for a theme park or something, that they don't want to change out lenses. If you're looking for something on a budget, since most of my reviews are on budget lenses, I'd recommend sticking with your kit lens that you might have got, this 18-55. It's a decent lens. It's sharper than this if you're looking for a kind of thing. It's not ultra sharp, but it's sharper than this at the same different focal ranges. You could stick with that and then get this one, the 70 to 300. This is the 75 to 300. This is the Tamron. I've done a review on the past. This comes for Canon as well, but it's a fairly sharp lens, not sharp, but it's sharp enough, especially on a budget for well under $100. I think I bought this one for $40 for Pentax, but you could get it for around $60 for Canon. So I'd probably recommend these better, and you could just switch out between the two lenses need be, because you got 18 to 55 and then 75 to 300. So that covers most of your focal length in there. And at 75, it's f4, so it's better than it would be on this. So there you go. There's that. I'm gonna here's some sample images, but subscribe. Like I said, I'm gonna have lots of reviews on Pentax stuff coming up in the next couple of months, since they're releasing that full frame camera. But thanks for watching. as far as a rating on this, as far as 1 to 10, I'd probably rank it about a 6. But if you're looking for something that covers that whole focal range, you can buy this. Let's check out the, I didn't do that, did I? Let's check out the focus here. See, it's a little loud. Let me try to find something to focus on. So it does a decent job, but it is a little noisy. I forgot that. You see that? And it was fairly fast to focus. Not ultra fast, but it was, when I was using it outside, it was decently fast. But there you go. The Pentax 28 to 200. Check out these sample lenses. Subscribe. Leave a comment below if there's a particular lens that you want me to review. I'll have plenty of other Pentax stuff coming up. Thanks for watching.